I had this idea that perhaps I could create a photo shoot with some fabric after going to a local fabric shop and seeing this really luminescent color. So I got out the sewing machine because I'll be honest, I have not signed anything in a hot minute. I can't remember the last time I did, but I had a go. And with my trusted trolley, off I popped to the racecourse and set out this backdrop literally in a country park. Okay. And I was like, cool. And my friend Hannah was like, yeah, I'm game for this. She had like maybe an hour and a half notice, and we did it. I wanted this kind of Vogue-esque, because you've seen the flots. I think it was maybe Annie Leibovitz one where they have this excessive fabric, but I wanted it to be very me. So I chose really vibrant colors. I chose well, Hannah's vibrant anyway, but I wanted it to be done. Everything was shot at 24mm. I didn't do anything yet any other focal length because I wanted that distortion. I think in hindsight I could have leaned into that more. But as this was a test run, I really loved it. And also thank you so much for Hannah for recording a lot more. And you can see in her footage is a lot brighter. But these are the end results. And I am in love, and I can't wait to do more of these backdrops because they just look so good. Anyway, thanks, and I'll see you all in the next video.